Audi R7 2021 review. Audi is bringing back the R7, its high-performance A7 variant, and has finally made it known what the slinky, luxurious performance hatchback will cost. The 2021 R7 will land in dealerships this fall with a $114,995 asking price. The sexy Sportback Audi's lingo for fastback sedans with hatches instead of trunk lids packs a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 making 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Heady stuff, plus those figures give the new R7 a 40 HP, 74 lb-ft advantage over the previous R7. Progress. The Audi also is now more powerful than the Porsche Panamera Turbo, which delivers 550 HP and 567 lb-ft of torque, and massively undercuts its $154,350 price tag. Quattro all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and an adaptive air suspension is standard on the R7, though a sport suspension is optional. After driving the new R7 late last year, we noted that with either suspension, the Audi is a joy to drive, and the optional ceramic brakes are smooth and easy to modulate. A sport exhaust is also available, giving the R7 a more pronounced sound. Face it, if you're buying this car, you probably would appreciate a more pronounced sound. The Audi R7 sits 0.4 inch lower than the standard A7. At high speeds or in dynamic mode, the air suspension lowers the car another 0.4 inch, at which point the Audi looks quite sweet, its wheels tucked purposefully under the flared wheel arches. Those fender flares also make the Rs nearly an inch wider per side compared to the A7, and the rims are 21 inches in diameter, although 22s are optional. The Audi's stylish and high-tech cabin comes with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, Audi Virtual Cockpit, as well as Rs Sport seats, and dual central touch screens. Thank you for watching my video.